Hello exotic fam, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Sosa here. Today we are making Akàrà, aka beans ball. Akàrà is very popular in Africa. It is called kosai in Ghana. It is super tasty and very easy to prepare. For this recipe I used 2 cups of brown beans. So I will bring water to a boil. I will pour some hot water in the beans. Please add some cold water just so you don't burn your skin. So this method helps to remove the beans coat easily. Like before you know it, guys, you are already frying your akara. Blend using a food processor or a blender is up to you. Pour the batter into a bowl. You can use a manual whisk or an electric whisk to whisk the batter until it doubles in size. Next, add some salt, some chopped onions. Just so you know, I added red bell peppers and green scotch bonnet pepper to the batter. Stir that nicely until well combined. Next, pour some vegetable oil in a pot and then add the batter. I'll go ahead and flip it over so that it cooks on both sides. I like my akara golden brown. So my akara is ready, guys. I enjoyed mine with a bowl of pap. Super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you. Bye.